Gage Fleabag, rope and racing, good start. Violetta Secret, Go Willis looking for the lead. Maximum exposure running by the Willis. Prince Carlo together with Demolition Jack. Violetta Secret is around the outside now. And going along for the first turn while honestly having a bad start. It's Go Belize leading by some 2.5 followed by Demolition Jack. Racing third now is Violetta Secret. And down in fourth, Maximum Explosion. There was a spill. Jackie Sisi Kalayag on Demolition Jack took his spill. It's Go Belize now as solo leader. Leads by some 5 lengths. Followed by Maximum Exposure. Them and moving up Violetta Secret and Prince Carlo now racing fourth. Inside the last 600. It is still Go Belize leading by some 5 lengths, followed by Violetta Secret. Maximum Exposure remains in third, then followed by Prince Carlo. Self-made long way back, Do It David and Honestly. And towards the final turn, it is still Go Belize leading by some 4 lengths. Followed by Violetta Secret in second. Running in third is Maximum Exposure. But still Go Belize leading by some 3 lengths over Maximum Exposure and Violetta Secret. And finally, it's Go Belize. Maximum Exposure, Violetta Secret, Prince Carlo, Self-Made, Honestly, and Do It, David.